is a Windows security application in Windows 11 blank or refusing to open. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix it. We start with our core services. Press Windows R services.msc. Look for the Security Center and for Windows Defender Firewall. Check if both are started automatically and running. If not, right-click and start it. Reset or repair Windows security application by opening Settings, Application, Installed Applications. Find Windows Security and click the three dots for advanced options. Click Repair first. If it doesn't work, then click on Reset. Re-register Windows Security with a PowerShell. Open the PowerShell as administrator. Copy and paste this command. Enter and wait. This will re-register the Windows Security application. Repair the system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run this command. Wait until it finishes. Then run this command to repair the corrupted system files that might be causing the problem. For step 5, we have to go with Update of Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check Update and install everything. After that is done, then restart your PC after the update is finished. The last resource, you can go to the Reinstall Windows Security. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run the command to remove the Windows Security, then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store by searching on Windows Security. And that's it. One of these methods will fix the blank or not opening Windows Security in Windows 11. If this will help you, drop like and subscribe for more Windows tips. See you in the next one. Peace.